Hello CMA students, right now you are in that phase which is a full of confusion. What to do, what not to do. So here we are to give you the enough clarity on one most important thing. If you have completed your CMA inter or your final examination and are waiting for your results, then this will be the best time to prepare for your real life after CMA. It could be a practical training or your CMA placements. It could be either in the corporate or in the industry. Whatever we have bought as an initiative is going to help you immensely throughout your journey, even after becoming and getting the tagline before your name, which is called a CMA. And yes, let me now tell you what exactly we have planned for. We are happy to tell you that to help many of the students, we have come up with an initiative of placement training program to help you get that success of your life. So yes, what about this placement training program? This placement training program is applicable for CMA Inter as well as CMA Final students. So those students who have given your CMA Inter examination or final examination, waiting for results, not known what to do, then yes, you can take up this placement training program, which will help you immensely. Now, this is not a new thing because we have already provided this placement training program for CMA Inter students for past 2 attempts. Now, for this attempt, we have come up with an initiative that we will provide it for both CMA Inter as well as CMA Final students. Now, when it is about this training program, this will not be taken by now faculties of BCCA. No, this training program will be conducted and taken care by a professional team who are trained in providing these kind of trainings, and they have enough knowledge and clarity about what corporates expect from a professionals like you. So a different team of professional trained expert team will be in front of you and taking these program for you guys. So yes, this program is going to start from July 7th. Mark the date, it is July 7th. And how to register for these program? If you are a BCCA regular batch student, then this is entirely free for you. Or if you are any other student, then only a nominal fee of 5,000 rupees is made applicable for this. So yes, if you want to register for this course, then you can uh, do the online payment for the given number, which is 9345802214. For this number, you can do the online payment of 5,000 rupees and register for this course. And do remember that this is on a first come first serve basis only, because we have given a limited number of seats so that this will be effective and efficient at the same time. Only 50 seats are available. And how you have to going to register this? A Google form will be given in the below description box. Do not waste your time. Go directly into the description box and fill this Google form and get registered for this program, because it is first come first serve basis. Only limited 50 seats are available. And yes, now main important part, that is that what all will be covered under this particular program. Now we are going to take up over the verbal ability, like communication. Many students face a lot of difficulty in the communication. When it comes to syllabus, when it comes to the knowledge of the subject, you'll have enough knowledge, you'll have entire knowledge. But communicating it to the questionnaire, whoever will be there in your interview room, that is a different task. So here we are going to give you the enough training about your corporate communication skills, which is very, very important for your real life. And yes, profile building. Either it could be your resume, either it could be a LinkedIn profile that will nothing but replicate who you are, which is very important. Regarding that also, training will be given to you. Mock interviews training will be given to you. Soft skills training will be given to you. And most major important part is that we also provide the training on business tools. Now, what kind of business tools? One is data analysis and reporting with Excel, and the other is accounting and GST with Tally Prime. And with this, we are also going to start now, which is most important part of this training is that ERP training. Now, what is this ERP? This ERP system nothing but includes SAP, Oracle, Tally Prime, Microsoft Dynamics, and many more, which are very relevant for the current market. Now, all these ERPs are nothing but used by real companies to manage their accounts and operations. And yes, don't get panic and don't worry. We are not going to teach you the entire full software and expect you to become an expert in this SAP or Oracle in just few sessions. No, that's not going to happen. What we are going to do is that we are going to help you understand the process behind this ERP system. Now, why it is important to understand the process before understanding about the entire software is that because in real life, each company uses different software, but the basic structure about the flow, about the entry formats or the tags which are they using for the entries are more or less the same. So in our training program, we'll show you what and how this ERP system will work, what kind of tags will be there, how this will be used in the business situations. Regarding all this, the training will be given to you. Now, what's the helpful of this? Wherever you might join after your examinations, whether it could be a practical training or your first job, you won't feel like lost. You won't feel blank out. You'll, because you have already known the process, you'll understand how you have to tackle the situation at that point of time, which is very, very important to get to know at this point of time. And yes, after listening to this, many of you might think that these training program will be given by CMA Institute as well. Now, what's new on this? That program you will get after your results. But before your results, in this period, without wasting your time, you can join for this training program. Now, what if at what point of time you're taking training for? Training is training. At any point of time, you are going to improve yourself. That's it. So, yes, do not waste your time. Enroll for this particular batch, right? Which is nothing but placement training program. And all the very best for your future. Thank you.